Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 320D M Sport Saloon presented in Alpine White. So alongside that very nice exterior colour, we've also added a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit to the car. Further enhancing this 18 Reg 3 Series, we've added the 19-inch 704M alloy wheels that have just been professionally refurbished in the bi-colour jet black, and all the way around we have got the Michelin Pilot Sport tyres. So there at the front of the car, as I mentioned, it is a 2018 18 plate car, so we do have the facelifted LED headlamps. Moving on down the side of the car, as well as the very nice additions we've made in terms of those satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals. You will of course see there the sun protection glazing on the rear windows, as well as those pristine alloy wheels that really do suit this 3 Series nicely. Moving on in terms of the interior, again a nice contrasting coral red Dakota leather which matches the Alpine White very nicely. In the front you do get the electric lumbar adjustment and heated options as well. It's got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox alongside the very nice high gloss interior trim, and as you can see that goes right through onto the door cards as well. Moving through to show you the rear seats, I have an ISOFIX 3-seat rear bench, central folding armrest, and again working very nicely is that darkened M Sport headlining, all in fantastic condition. Moving towards the rear of the car, again showing you off those pristine alloy wheels. At the back of the car, another introduction for the 2018 onwards plate 3 Series was of course these very nice sharpened LED rear lights. We've added a high gloss rear diffuser and matching rear boot spoiler. And there you can see of course a nice large boot space, along with we have got the split folding seat option on this car. Again, always a very sought after thing, especially within any saloon vehicle. Moving round towards the other side of the car, once again you can see how well the Alpine White does work with the additions we've made, alongside being a fantastically clean and tidy example. And I shall now go on, take a seat inside the car, and of course run you through some of the very special features we have inside of this 320D. Starting of course with the professional wide navigation and media screen. However, it's not the ordinary professional wide, it is the professional plus. Professional plus does mean touchscreen, and I'll show you more of that in just a second. However, underneath the sliding armrest we also have the wireless charging tray. As you can see here, I've placed the device to demonstrate that here for you. Hopefully that's coming through okay. So as you can see there, the charging icon is highlighting it is being charged. Really convenient, just free up the USB slot for potentially a passenger to charge their device, or of course just run your media through it. So in terms of that, as you can see, we'll run you through the Bluetooth, where you have Bluetooth audio, telephone, apps and internet hotspot. And I'll now just demonstrate a little bit about that touchscreen capability. Really useful for when you're using the Satnav. As you can see, you can pinch zoom much like your smartphone devices, and we can even scroll, pinch zoom a little bit more, tap in, and we can set destinations via just tapping away, or of course still use our iDrive scroll wheel down here like we will be used to. Going back to the very main menu, in terms of multimedia, we've already touched upon we have got Bluetooth audio, but we've also got DAB. We've also got music collection, CD, DVD, and of course USB and AUX inputs. Going back to the other features of this car, it's got the Connected Drive Plus, giving you access to online search, news and weather. It's a very low mileage car and has covered just over 16,000 miles. And I shall now go on and show you a little bit more about the service requirements and service history. The service for the car is due in 10,000 miles time, and does have a full BMW service history in terms of the fact it's only had to have a pre-delivery inspection service, of course due to the age, as you can see on screen now. Down here we'll also see our dual climate control, along with the switches for the heated seats. And if we take a look around here, we'll also notice that we have got the heated steering wheel option on this car as well. And there you can see there, it has covered just over 16,000 miles. So again, another really low mileage, very nice 320D M Sport here at Your Next Car. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful. For further information, remember that down in the description, you will of course find a link to our website alongside contact details for ourselves. Thanks again, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Do of course take care. Goodbye.